Hello everyone, today I show you this rare found I have obtained. It was used by the US Secret Services, and it's in extremely nice condition. I also cleaned it and adjusted and lubricated everything. So this is a very unique model in extremely nice condition. So they usually made those for the sales. It was expensive. So this calculator is tacking, so there's nothing, but there is a sound button right here, so you can turn this on, and it will going to be speech each digit.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear. 2, 5 times 2, 5 equals 6, 2, 5.00.
This is printer also has
1, 2, 3.
printer button, paper feed right here, and calculator with the printer. There you go.
100 plus 100 equals 1, 2, 3, 2.00.
And this thing can speak a little bit faster.
Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals minus 0.00.
I'll show you the inner part. So this printer has digital tube light. They use the form of lighting, but it's in a tube filled with the gas. This ribbons right here is not sure the condition. I don't have a paper to test, but you still can buy these ribbons at the Walmart, fairly inexpensive online. So I have not used any other options, but it's pretty good model. In description I will have this link to eBay, so if anyone wants this item, welcome. It's a very nice collectible piece, run off of 120 volts. And there you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 2, 4, 6, 9, 1, 3, 5.78. Clear.
Thanks for watching. Please like and thumbs up for this video. Thank you, it supports well.